How to set a default calendar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Apps. After that, tap on Calendar. Then in here, we scroll down and then tap on Default Calendar. Now from the list of available calendars, select a default calendar. So here I will choose Home, and it's in the blue color. So I tap on the back key and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you open up the calendar app, and if you're going to create a new calendar event, it will now set to your default calendar. You can see here it choose Home in iCloud as my default calendar. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.